Most apps just don't get it. If you've been looking for a way to learn Croatian, you've probably noticed that most of the big apps don't have this language. And if you find an app that teaches Croatian, most of the time it looks like a boring textbook. Today, I'm showing you the best app to learn Croatian, and I'll explain why it's the best app to get you speaking right from day one. The app I'm talking about is Ling. You can check out the link in the description below to start your 7-day free trial with the Ling app today. We added all the app's key features in these timestamps, so it's easier for you to look through. Now, let's get started with the most critical part of learning a new language,
Pozdrav.
the audio. Most apps use text-to-speech or TTS robots, which is good for them, but bad for you, because if you learn from a robot, you'll sound like one. But that's what sets Ling apart from the other apps. Ling works closely with native speakers to create the courses and to record the voices for you. And this is good for every language, but especially total ones, because you're hearing real people speak in their actual accents. It's actually the best way to get your ear tuned to the natural rhythm of the language without needing to go out and speak to a native face-to-face. But hearing it, that's one thing, and using it in context, that's another. Ling doesn't just throw random vocabulary at you, they build their lessons around context. Understanding the what, when, where, and why is the key part to learning a new language. They design each lesson with the real-world situation you need with the right amount of gamification. And the sentences you learn first are the ones that you'll get to use right away. Like ordering food, asking for directions, and calling for help in case of an emergency. Now, let's be honest, even if the lessons are going great, staying motivated is one of the hardest parts of learning a new language. These features motivate you to learn your language daily and help you progress better. Every lesson earns you banana points. But that's not all. Ling also has a daily streak counter, which gives you just the right amount of push to open the app at least once a day. And these aren't just for you to see, they push you up the leaderboard so you can compete with other learners, even if it's just a 5-minute break from doom scrolling on social media. Now, with all those features, will they teach you how to actually speak? That's what Ling's Chatbot aims to do. It's an interactive conversation partner that simulates real life. You listen to the native speaker, you choose your answer, and the app gives you instant feedback. This helps you put yourself in the situation before you actually talk to somebody, so you're more confident when the time comes when you actually have to use a language. It's the perfect way of practicing conversation without the anxiety of talking to a stranger before you're ready. And also grammar notes, which explain the logic behind the sentences in plain English. It covers all the technical stuff in between the gamified lessons. Now that I've went through Ling's key features, I want to let you know that this app is built with cultural and linguistic respect. Your language matters, and with Ling, we can keep your language alive. Thank you for watching, and give Ling a try if you want to master the language, the accent, and to speak confidently. The premium version is a paid model, but if you want to give it a go before committing, you can click the link in the description below for a free 7-day trial. Have a good language learning journey.